What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Damon back with another video. I know I haven't posted on this channel in a long time, but I'm gonna try to be consistent on this channel. Feel me? So as y'all can see, I just got this M3. Super sick. Y'all probably saw my other blue M3. I sold it because the miles was crazy high. It was really clean, really nice. Y'all probably like that one better than this one, but this one is better in my opinion. This one does not have bucket seats, but I'm getting bucket seats for free from the dealer that I bought the car from. So this car, bro, as y'all can see, this shit is super low. Super low. This shit is sick, bro. It's just super dirty right now. But I'm finna be giving y'all a little POV tonight. I'm about to pick up some of my boys. Then I'm gonna give y'all possibly a passenger POV because I didn't bring my GoPro. So yeah, if y'all fucking with the car, make sure y'all like the video, comment down below, and let me know what car POV y'all want next. You feel me? Y'all want the Z06 or y'all want the Urus or y'all want more M3 content. So make sure y'all like the video, subscribe, turn post notifications on. So let's get straight into the video. Peace.
Somebody get some drink or not?
Maybe when I come back.
You got no seatbelt, nigga? I gotta put that bitch on. Yo, I saw that nigga over there, bro. Nah, amigo. That nigga all the way over here.
That shit was so funny, bro.
I saw that shit, bro.
Hey, look. My headlight is not even working. I need to get the other headlight. The light bulb is out. I can barely see. Like, look, I can barely see, bro. So that's gonna be it for this video. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next